Pi Network is entering a pivotal phase in its development, with the announcement that smart contracts will go live in the coming months and a wave of new decentralized applications will be added to its ecosystem. The project is signaling a bold step toward full Web3 integration. This development, shared by @Pi Network, reflects Pi Network's commitment to building a utility-driven crypto platform that prioritizes accessibility, scalability, and real-world use. As the crypto landscape continues to evolve, Pi Network's strategic rollout of smart contracts and dApps could redefine how digital assets are used, governed, and valued. This article explores the implications of this expansion, the technology behind it, and the opportunities it presents for users, developers, and merchants worldwide. Smart contracts. Unlocking automation and trust. Smart contracts are self-executing agreements coded directly onto the blockchain. They eliminate the need for intermediaries, reduce transaction costs, and ensure transparency. For Pi Network, the integration of smart contracts represents a foundational upgrade that will enable a wide range of decentralized services. Key benefits include automated peer-to-peer transactions, decentralized governance mechanisms, token-based reward systems, secure and programmable financial tools. By enabling smart contracts, Pi Network is laying the groundwork for a more dynamic and interactive ecosystem, where users can engage with services that are trustless, efficient, and scalable. dApp expansion, building a functional ecosystem. The addition of new dApps is more than a technical milestone. It's a strategic move to create a vibrant, utility-rich environment for PiCoin. dApps allow users to interact with blockchain-based services in areas such as commerce, education, entertainment, and finance. Expected developments include digital marketplaces powered by PiCoin, educational platforms for blockchain literacy, social applications with integrated crypto payments, micro-lending, and savings tools for underserved communities. This expansion will not only increase the utility of PiCoin but also attract developers and entrepreneurs looking to build on a secure, scalable platform. Community-driven growth. Pi Network's strength lies in its global community of pioneers. With tens of millions of users actively participating in the network, the project has cultivated a grassroots movement that supports innovation, adoption, and resilience. Community contributions include running nodes to support decentralization, creating local marketplaces that accept PiCoin, translating educational content for broader reach, participating in governance, and ecosystem development. This level of engagement is rare in the crypto space and provides a strong foundation for long-term growth and sustainability. Web3. Alignment, a decentralized future. Web3 represents the next evolution of the internet, one that is decentralized, user-owned, and transparent. Pi Network's architecture aligns closely with these principles, offering users control over their data, identities, and digital assets. Smart contracts and dApps will enable decentralized identity verification, transparent governance models, secure and private transactions, open-source collaboration, and innovation. As Web3 adoption accelerates, Pi Network is positioning itself as a key player in shaping the future of digital interaction. Strategic timing and market readiness. The decision to launch smart contracts and expand dApps at this stage reflects Pi Network's strategic patience. Rather than rushing to market, the project has focused on building infrastructure, validating identities, and fostering organic growth. This approach has yielded a robust KYC system to ensure network integrity, a scalable node infrastructure for decentralization, a growing suite of developer tools and APIs, merchant partnerships for real-world adoption. By prioritizing readiness over speed, Pi Network is creating a stable foundation for long-term success. Challenges ahead. Despite its promising trajectory, Pi Network faces several challenges. Regulatory uncertainty across jurisdictions, technical scalability to support global adoption, market skepticism due to delayed exchange listings, need for continuous developer engagement and education. However, the project's community-first ethos and utility-driven model provide a strong framework for addressing these issues. Economic potential and merchant adoption. As Pi Network's ecosystem matures, the economic potential of Pi Coin becomes increasingly evident. With smart contracts and dApps enabling real-world transactions, merchants and service providers can begin integrating Pi Coin into their operations. Potential use cases include retail payments in local and online stores, subscription services and content monetization, cross-border remittances and microfinance, loyalty programs, and customer engagement tools. This shift from speculative asset to functional currency could redefine Pi Coin's role in the global economy. Developer opportunities. The launch of smart contracts opens the door for developers to build innovative solutions on Pi Network. With access to APIs, SDKs, and a growing user base, developers can create applications that address real-world problems and tap into a ready market. Support for developers includes technical documentation and tutorials, community forums and mentorship programs, funding opportunities for promising projects, integration pathways for existing platforms. This developer-friendly environment will be key to driving innovation and expanding the utility of Pi Coin. Conclusion. Pi Network's upcoming launch of smart contracts and expansion of dApps marks a transformative moment in its journey. By focusing on utility, community, and strategic growth, the project is laying the foundation for a decentralized future where Pi Coin is not just traded but used, trusted, and embedded in everyday life. For pioneers and newcomers alike, this is a moment to watch. As the crypto world shifts toward real-world application and Web3 integration, Pi Network is proving that meaningful innovation begins with purpose, participation, and patience. Disclaimer. The articles contained on the Jitu Master website are provided for informational purposes only and are not intended as an invitation or recommendation to invest. Jitu Master is not responsible for investment decisions made based on information from this site. All risks arising from the actions of the reader are entirely their own responsibility, and Jitu Master has no involvement or responsibility for any losses that may occur. Don't forget to click subscribe.